Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Sorry, I jumped right in. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers, to Red Button Journal. Today, we're over in Alexander Park again. Oh, I forgot to comb my hair after I got back out of the wind. But that's the way it goes. So anyway, we're back in Alexander Park. We missed a little part of it last time. And so we're going to go down the road here and finish it up. We got all kinds of stuff set up today that we didn't have. Did we have everything set up when we did it last time? I don't think we did. We didn't have the same kind of a setup before. But today we got a big time setup. The only problem is my camera in the dash was overheating, and I don't want to talk about cameras today. So I'm going to leave the fan on the middle setting. And right here's where we left off before, people. This house on the right, we hardly got to see that well. The house on the left, woo, just take a look at that. Look at that house. Remember that one? Somebody thought it might have been a school or something, but I don't think that's a school. It's a house. Somebody lives there. Regular type people living there. Wow. Oh, and then they have another. Or is that oh, this is a different house here. Oh, I thought this was part of the same house, but it's different. Yeah, it sure is. Boy, those are close together. But that one is so big, you know? Wow. Well, we're just going to take our time. This is an old-time wall here to our left.
That's a big orchid tree. Maybe it's the back of a yard.
Oh, could be. Well, I didn't put a little pitch on my cameras like I did the other day when we were doing our Norbrook. I might wished I had, but that's okay. We're doing what we're doing today. It's kind of a cute older home.
Yeah, it's so crowded with mango trees,
you know?
orchid trees.
Well, that's a big, looks like maybe somebody's living below. See, they got a camera.
Camera is
or a light or something.
It's been
going. Yeah.
Where's it coming?
Well, I saw this little over here, but there's not really any houses over there. But what I can't just see from being right here. You know, it's a start. That's the thing. Sometimes it's just one room that you start with.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some people can start big, while some people have to start small.
Boy, so you know, in some of those houses we saw when we were in Kingston.
This house resembles that big one passed on this one year. Kind of this same kind of style. It's smaller.
I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah. Really nice places. Okay, I'm going to take this road. Boy, this road's in nice shape down here. Look at this.
You want to know how far it goes?
Well, it kind of circles around and goes up the hill, and then it runs out of houses. I need to not drive so fast because there are a few little houses and stuff along here. But man, this is a nice road.
This house is big. That one, it's so
what?
Big.
I was like, how do these people get such a nice house or a nice road? But
it goes way back.
Oh, look at it. Look at it. Man, look at that dog trying to get in. He's trying to run away.
Well, you don't belong to that house.
Yeah, I didn't put enough pitch on my cameras. I didn't think it was going to be hilly enough to do it, but I'm not going to worry about it. Which, the fact I'm talking about it would tell you that I am worried about it. Oh, look at that house. That's nice. Yeah, maybe that's what I like about the color. They've chopped it out well. And it's going to be nice once they get it all done. And look at the amount of new construction, sweetie. It never ceases to amaze me. You know? Over here.
So why this road is so And it doesn't really go far. It is
No,
as far
it
as
just goes over here and then,
it's not go. Oh.
you know, and it's got some nice houses over here. Wow.
Or maybe they're gonna do all the roads here, but this is a start to start here.
Well, yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what to think.
Maybe it's the council lives here. I don't know.
Well, that one house here is pretty fancy looking, so maybe you're right. Maybe it is a council.
The council house is not gonna be more fancy than anybody else's house.
Okay,
Yeah.
well,
Yeah.
maybe whoever built that house there built the road. That is really something.
It's big.
Yeah, and it goes, like you said, it goes way back.
Mm-hmm.
But it's only got 2 stories to the back. But you don't know
And
how far back
3-story
the first
to the
story
front,
goes.
You know, yeah.
Yeah,
And 3-story to the, but it's big. It's big.
yeah.
It's building island those. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, everything is just working hunky-dory. I was going to show the people my map one day, you know,
Yeah.
the little map that shows where I've been. See, that road is supposed to go way on up there. It doesn't. See, it's supposed to go way on up there, but it didn't.
You mean that road around here?
Yeah,
So-
see? See, people, that's my little app.
So
Just shows a blue line where I've been. That way I don't accidentally just do a bunch of backtracks and just bore everybody to death, you know.
so but maybe they change their mind or they're still gonna continue. I don't know.
Well,
Because there's curve and channel.
they
like
did
it's
curve
the end. Yeah.
too. Yeah, so I don't know what they're going to do. Wow. There's some nice places going in here.
Mm-hmm.
Look at their big tower up on that house. Well, that road is new too.
Yeah, so what is happening?
I don't know.
Why is so patch part is done and that part isn't? Why?
I tell you what, this Alexander Park has got some nice roads.
Mm.
This is Alexander Park, the part we didn't see before. Somebody's got a blue and white flag. I don't know what that means.
One white, which country?
Yeah. There's somebody sitting on a big
I saw
porch, and that part of that house is finished, maybe.
somebody living there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, well, where I'm driving now doesn't really appear to be on the map. Oh, look at the... Oh. Okay, I got to back up for this. I just got to back up so people can see the scene down here. See the ocean down in there, people?
Okay.
Oh, see the big ship down there? Can you all see that?
It's a nice view up here, though.
Oh, yeah. But the roads don't quite go the way the map showed that they go.
Oh, so
Yeah, the roads do not go quite like the map shows.
there is some house over on top of the mountain there. Where is that?
Well, I think that's part of Upper Retreat, but I'm not sure because right across this ravine is part of Retreat.
you know, I didn't know that.
You know, the upper, the different part.
I didn't know that Alexander Park as a hill. I didn't know. And the road is not too bad.
Yeah, I don't know what to make of this. This doesn't look like anything. Oh, you know what?
See a house.
Look,
Right.
this has ended up going to where this other road, and we've caught up where that other road was going to go.
Yeah,
They changed their mind about how it was going to go.
Yes.
Unless there's still a
Yeah.
road down underneath there, but I don't think there is. It's like they changed the way this was going to be.
It seems so because I already put in curve and channel along me, you know, and
Yeah, yeah.
farmers that did.
You know, you can't go, like I've always said, you can't go by maps.
No.
Boy, I wouldn't want to go down there where there's a little drive, but there sure enough is a drive there.
I can't believe this place had such steep hill.
Okay. And look, see, we're off the beaten path again.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, look here. Road goes that way. See, like, or road.
It's like a new development.
Yeah, look like it's some new development.
But that might just be a single house up there. Yeah, that's why none of this is on the map the way it shows.
This road is freshly built.
Yeah.
Yeah. Freshly asphalted at least. And see, landslide.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They're putting in utilities and water. And...
Yeah, they're putting in, yeah.
Okay.
It seems like somebody house is gonna build up.
Yes. And I think that other one might be a road back up in there.
Oh, so this is a dead end down here.
Well, I'm glad I've now if I put on a GPS version, I might be able to see all these, but to me it's hard to see where all the roads are on the GPS version while
This is something new.
driving.
This is something new.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, it is so nice.
Oh my goodness, look at the view.
You know? It's so nice. Oh,
Wow. People.
wow.
If you this is what's amazing about all of our drives, sweetie. We just continually find things that we didn't even know about.
Yeah. I
You know?
didn't know it.
It didn't
would
exist
take
too
you-
long ago. Look how
I
new this is.
thought Alexandra Park was a flat
Boy,
place.
that's a steep road going up there.
Yeah.
That's too steep.
And it is soft. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, maybe they're not done digging it down.
But there's road over there. See road.
Yeah, up in there. But see, that's the next. That's Upper Retreat over there, I think. And we'll get over there.
See, this road is freshly being asphalted.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm tempted to drive up this little road here, but it's not even on the map.
No, but that does.
Huh? Should I go up there?
You think it go far?
I have no idea. It's got curbs. Must go a little ways.
All right. It's very steep. You think we can go up?
We're about to find out. No, look at this. Oh, I'm glad we came up here. Look at
Up here
what?
it's asphalted too. It's a.
I can't believe.
It's some development.
Yes, of
Some
course.
development.
Of course. Look at over there.
Oh
Okay.
wow. Some development, and it
Yeah.
seems like people have bought lots too.
Yes,
because
yes,
you can
yes.
see that there's some
People are
more. Yeah.
cutting out.
Yes, people buy these lots.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, wow.
It's a new development.
I can't believe. You notice I'm turning around American style because I think the camera angles look better. And there's no people to trouble me up here.
No.
Boy, look. What's a deep ravine over here because look how the bamboo.
Yeah.
I had no idea. Well, people, if you're looking for, I don't even know how to find out what development this is going to be or what it's called. Or
If we see anyone.
if we see anybody or see a sign. Look, there's a house right there, too.
Yeah. Right down here, sir?
Yeah, right down there.
Oh. Not those on the.
No, not on the hill.
Down.
In the ravine,
See?
just a little ways down.
Yeah, okay.
And I don't know that, that could be one of those where they have one story that you can see from the road,
Yeah.
and there's 4 or 5 stories of the house.
Yeah.
Once you get on the side of the hill, okay, I don't want to go too fast here or I'll lose control.
Work is going on around here.
Oh, this is so exciting, sweetie. So exciting. Wow. Put my glasses on.
There's a house, and there's a house building
Yes,
right there.
those houses are going to be like 3 or 4 or 5 stories.
Yeah.
And the first story is going to be up here.
Yes.
And the others are going to be...
That's going to be the ground floor.
That's going to be the ground floor, and you're not even going to... From the road, it's going to look like a simple one-story house.
Yes.
But once if you look at it from the other side, you'll see it's
like
4 or 5.
4 or 5 stories.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't mind north being to the top, but I don't know why it's got southwest to the top, and it's got my arrow going the wrong way on this.
You're here?
It's got me very upset. My little map. See, look at my little map, people. It's got me very upset. I'm just worried about my map. Instead of sightseeing, I'm worried about my map. Look at the waves down there and the boat out there. And what a view.
Yes, a really good
and the
view.
breeze, the sea breeze up here, so nice.
So, there's house down here because the
Yeah.
And house building all around.
Wow. We really found something.
Yeah.
We really found something.
012 light overheating.
Which one's overheating?
Huh.
Oh, this one up here.
It's overheating? How comes?
I don't know. Maybe I'm just not going fast enough. I need to doing too much stopping. Huh. That should not be overheating.
No, I mean, the sun is not even...
No, it's not even been...
You know?
It's been... Oh, we've only been filming for 20 minutes.
Huh.
There's no way that one should be overheating.
A lot of blocks here.
I don't know what I'm going to do if that one's overheating. If I'm going to have these overheat up there, that's going to be a big problem.
It's not big news.
And then I'm going to go fast because I don't see things. That's not right. I want to go slow so I can see things. That's
3, 4.
robbing the people. I don't know why that camera's overheating.
There's another road up there.
It's still going though. It's just getting hot.
But why does it get hot? And the sun, the sun hardly coming out.
You know, and there's a nice breeze up here.
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense to me either.
Okay, the road
Sorry, people.
The road goes 2 ways.
Yeah, go down there, go up here. This is just a whole neighborhood. That's not even on my map. I don't even need my map, hardly.
So, you know, these are lots to be... Either they don't cut up as yet or...
Whoa. Wow, look at that. We're up higher yet.
Your voice have changed.
My voice is changing right now. I gotta drink my...
Somebody's building here.
Wow, what has happened to my voice?
I don't know what can I do because...
012 light overheating. 012 light overheating.
Yeah, I knew that. It shouldn't be, but it is. Ooh, I'm not going to go up that road there, though. Well, I can go a little faster on there. Oh, look at the little tricycle thing that fell down from the house up there. The house clear up there.
Is that a child's?
And there's the road we were on over there.
Mm-hmm. I didn't know it extended, Alexander Park extend to this place. I didn't know place.
Yeah. Well, at least I solved my inside camera problems with overheating. You know?
Yeah.
But now I can't believe.
No, it's outside.
I can't believe it's an outside. I might have to look at shades to go over the top of them now. That'll be a big hassle. But we didn't have a bit of trouble with that before.
When the sun is hot, we weren't having any.
No, so it
So
must have just been we were just going too slow or something. I don't know why that particular one got hot, but It's got to be cooling down now.
It's a nice.
I don't care if it's cooling down now. We're going to look at the scenery.
Oh, that house is so big. That one that.
Oh, yeah, the one that guy was sitting at with the blue and white flags.
Oh, okay, yeah, it's big.
Yeah, look at it. My goodness.
That here is a nice one. Good view.
Ooh, right there. Oh, they're going to have quite the view.
They're living.
Oh, they're living downstairs, it looks like already. Wow. I wonder if it's got some different name than Alexander Park. Or retreat, or yeah, we're gonna have to ask somebody. Maybe somebody watching is gonna know, because I have quite a few.
Yeah, they will tell us. Yeah.
I have quite a few people watch, the channel that they seem to really know the stuff.
It's a new here, and it's quite big.
Yeah. Wow. Oh. Well, they get the road coming out this way.
Yeah.
And
it's nice when you get infrastructure
wow.
put in, your water, your road, and your light.
Yeah.
It makes things so easier.
Wow. Look at this.
Wow.
I mean, this is coming right up here.
How do you know that things like this going on around here?
Well, I was going to look and see what my altitude is. Well, it's not that high. It's 369 feet above sea level.
And it looks so high.
Look at this road.
Wow. Wow, it's a long road.
What? Now we're going to see something. Now we're going to see something. Look at this. Look at this view, people. What?
I would like this lot here.
Yeah?
What it look like is for somebody, because you can see that.
Yeah, it looks like it's already chopped out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like that.
Yeah, who wouldn't?
Yeah.
And there, look over here. Oh, here's the water tank. They've got a water tank up here for them already.
Wow. This is for somebody. You can see. Yes, big water tank.
Wow. Can you imagine?
Yeah.
Oh, having a place up here would be just amazing. Oh, I thought this was the end of the road, but it turns. Oh, it is the end of the road. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh, look. As you kind of glance through the trees.
It's nice. I like it more than being on the flat. The view that you have.
Wow. 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 I haven't heard anything about this over here, have you? But
No,
we must find out.
Yeah.
We have to find out.
We can find out. We can. Maybe even that gentleman that we talked to over retreat. If we had known about this,
Yes.
he could have given us some information.
That's true.
And maybe it's that same lawyer too, even. Like if people want.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can just keep going till we get to the end of what we're going to see here. I guess. I don't know.
Because there's another road that turns.
There's still more roads, yes. And I can't tell which. Well, I can tell if I've been on a road from my GPS, but the roads aren't even roads on the GPS.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's new. It's not on your...
Yeah. Okay, so here. Oh yeah, we go this way here.
It's not even go that way too.
Yeah, it goes that way, and it goes. That'll take us down to where we've been. That's where we've been. Yeah. So let's just stay up here and check out this new area for a little bit. Yeah, and there, to the left, that housing that you see, that's Alexander Park that we went and drove around in already. We've already driven through there, people, and showed people all that.
Just having like peace here, be nice.
Hero 12 might stop recording. Hero 12 might stop recording.
What did I hit?
Why are you driving this?
What did I hit?
I don't know. Why are you driving here? So because I think you're gonna keep there. So because
I need to look and see what was there because I hit something.
Of course.
And that one stopped recording.
I don't know why you're driving the bush. I was expecting you to drive on the road.
Well, I didn't know I thought. Here.
Well, I don't know why you're driving into the bush. You have to keep on the road. I don't know why you're driving the bush. Because I thought you were seeing that this bush here.
I was trying to avoid this bush from rubbing up against the car.
But you have to look because.
Well, I was looking over there. I just.
I'm looking at the asphalt, right? Like where the asphalt stopped.
I'm still on the asphalt. There's a big pile of sand there that I ran into.
So they don't do this side yet. They do just one side.
And
then over here, so not do it.
I'm going to back up. Here, let me fix my mirror. Hold on.
You see that they're not using this road right now, so it get bush up. Then the sand feel like it's a stone or something tough. You're going to.
No, just dirt. It's not even a stone. It's just sand that was down in the road. See? But I hit it with the way it jerked the car.
Yeah. Okay.
See?
Yeah. But I thought it was some wilpa bush grow there. Yeah. You know, and anything could underneath it. So I thought it was gonna keep from it.
Yeah. All right, let's stop the recording here. I don't know why that one overheated. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Okay. See, down here, so the road is wide, but from right here, so they don't do it yet. They just do one side.
And look how much more camera battery it used over that one. It's like, I wonder if the settings were different on that camera for some reason.
So it's not going to have the new one?
It's one of the new ones, yeah. But look how much battery it used. Well, people. One of my cameras overheated, and then I realized why. The reason it overheated is because I had it on 5.3K, which I don't need it on 5. It was on accident. It got on 5.3K. So I got that fixed. So the camera's not going to be overheated anymore. But as we were going along the road, we came to a little spot where the road suddenly got real narrow, and I thought it was just overgrown. I didn't realize the road itself was real narrow. And so I just thought I was going over the overgrown part. Well, there was a big mound of real hard dirt, and it caught the front end of my car and went up under the tire and just jerked the car like we had a terrible accident. And we did damage the car, but we damaged the other side before too. So actually I need to probably look at the map to see which way I want to turn here.
I like that. Look at that hibiscus, the color of it. In front of us, straight. That over there.
Yeah.
You guys got peach.
It's kind of a peach color, yes. So, people, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a pretty yard. And they've got those kind of pots that look like they're tipped over. They're made to be that way, though, with the aloe vera.
That's how they are.
Yeah. Whatever you want to say. Oh, those people have getting ready to line theirs out, or they lined it out and then stopped. That's a nice home. That's really a nice home.
I don't like the color. It's a orange.
How about this orange over here to the right? That's even really bright.
I don't like those. The color. Like this gray and white. I like it.
You like that gray and white? Mm-hmm. Now, I think, according to the map, this road will dead end and we're going to have to go back. Oh, no, I take it back. We won't.
Because I'm looking at our road going like it goes
Yeah.
that way.
No, I'm trying to get used to. See my map? Look at all the lines on it, people. But what's amazing is where we went up in the hills and there was no roads there. We just went. And we would have gone farther, but we decided not to because the road was going to break my car too much.
The road is not complete.
Right. Oh, boy. Well, we've had a big excitement here. Big excitement on this video. No, I don't remember seeing this house here on our previous travels. Oh, look. See, this is the end of the road right here. So I can just kind of go like this and get a look at these two homes. Looks like somebody might be living downstairs in that one. Oh, look at the houses over there. Oh, and here's the big house that somebody thought might be a school or something. Yeah. Oh, right here's where we started our tour. Right here's where we started our tour today. At this house right here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's go ahead and wrap this up. We still have air in all our tires. No punctures. Didn't drive off the road. Completely, anyway. So, be sure and like, share, comment.
Right, battery level low.
Yeah, I know it's low. The battery level's low. Which one? Oh, of course that one's low because I had it on high. Okay. Viewers and subscribers, be sure and like, share, comment, and subscribe for the latest from Red Button Journal. Big up yourself, bless up yourself, later, and
Amen.